What an absolute blast this was. I stepped into it again. What are you doing? I'm here. DJI versus X-Hover. Who is going to win? Let's go. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video today. I'm really excited to check out the two latest pocket drones that we have, the DJI Neo and the HoverAir X1 Pro Max. I'll put them side by side and use them for tracking tests, and I have some pretty cool ideas to see which one will perform better. Really excited for this one, so let's get it.
Current mode, follow. Middle, follow.
First of all, we have the HoverAir X1 Pro Max, and first of all, I have to say I'm very disappointed by the fact that this drone still does not support 8K, which is how this drone was marketed. This was the 8K follow me drone. But unfortunately, in follow me mode, you don't have the option to choose 8K. It might come with a firmware update, I'm not really sure. There is 8K in some other modes, but for follow me mode, the biggest resolution is 4K 30 frames per second, so really bummed out about this. As far as the footage goes, I think it looks pretty good. However, it definitely looks a little bit too overexposed, too bright here in this exact scenario. In my other shots it didn't look that bad, but here it's way too bright. Maybe the position of the sun was really making the footage go super bright. So for me, I would personally touch it a little bit, turn down the midtones and the shadows just so I can bring back some more life to the footage itself, because right now it's just way too bright for my personal taste. Other than that, I think when it comes to the following itself, the drone did a fantastic job. It keeps me centered, keeps me right in the middle of the shot. It's very smooth. It doesn't do any abrupt stops. It doesn't go left and right all the time. So the footage itself seems to me that is pretty smooth, pretty good looking, and it keeps a good distance between me and the drone, so you can still see everything around me, which I think it's a very positive thing, because it kind of lets you see the surroundings and makes the shot more interesting, as opposed to just sticking to your back and staying there. So for me, the footage looks great, minus the fact that it's not shot in 8K and it's a little bit too bright, which is really easy to fix in post.
Medium, follow. 3, 2, 1.
Now switching to the Neo, and straight away I can see that the footage is a lot sharper. It doesn't have that overexposed look to it, so you can kind of rest your eyes and just look at it without being blinded by all of the light. That was the case for the Pro Max, but here we have this over sharpening effect that I don't really like. It's just what DJI does to all of their drones in their factory settings. But here, when it comes to the tracking, I think the Neo is doing a little bit worse when it comes to smoothness, because it's way too close to my back. It's kind of not letting me breathe, if I can say that. It's a little bit close to me at all times, and it's kind of moving left and right to keep me centered in the shot. If it was 1 meter further back, for example, I think it would have been much better in terms of composition and in terms of smoothness, because now it's a little bit too agile and it's moving a little bit too much in my opinion, so it's kind of taking away from the whole shot. However, I have to say the shot in general looks a whole lot better to me, and since both of these drones are tracking me pretty well, they're going around obstacles, they're not hitting any branches, they're doing a pretty fantastic job of following me, I have to say I'm pretty happy with both drones, but there are some very visible differences between the two. Now this here will be interesting. So the path that I have chosen is a little bit wider and more open, but we have a lot of branches on the way, and we also have a lot of mud on the ground because we recently had a lot of rain. So I have to go around the mud. I already stepped in one giant puddle, so I'll try to not do that again. But I also test the drones simultaneously. So let's put them in the air.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1. Middle. Follow.
I hope they don't crash into each other. They seem to be fighting for territory. Now here we have the first big test. Well, not this one exactly, but right after this one. We have a large puddles, like 2 puddles here. And I stepped into it again. It's so easy to slide. Oh my God, this is a disaster. All right, we are through. I think the drones are behind me still. They're really fighting for territory. Now this one, I need to go around it. At least I can. Not sure about the drones though, but I hear them, so they must be still here. Oh, it's just the Neo. Where is the hover? Let's go, let's check it out. What are you doing? I'm here. Come on. Come on. It's like I have 2 little pets following me. They're really fighting for it. Don't fight, guys. There's space for everyone. Oh my God. Wow, 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 wow. That's crazy. Let's continue. I love it. This is one of the funniest tests that I've done so far on this channel. So if you end up enjoying it, you know what to do. Drop a huge like and subscribe. That's the least you can do, guys. Oh, come on. Let's not fall. Let's not fall. Oh! We have a little branch. Okay, let's go. This is so much fun. But now we're getting to some low-hanging branches, so I'm not sure if the drones will be able to see them. Wow, once again I hear the Neo fighting for its life. Come on, guys, let's do this. Let's do this. DJI versus X-Hover. Who is going to win? Let's go. Both of them are here, but the Neo is falling behind. No, it's not falling behind. It's completely stuck, I think, somewhere. Again. Now it's time to go back for your little brother. Let's pick him up. Come on. Where are you, man? Oh, you got confused. Hey. Easy, easy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Do you see me, Neo? Okay, you see me. Come on. Oh my God, this is so much fun. I really don't want them to fall into the puddle. Well, I'm happy to say that they survived the test. Well, both had a little mishap and both were not perfectly correct and precise, but I give that to the fact that they're both flying at the same time, which is obviously not an usual case. So it's normal to have at least some issues. But no casualties, no crashes, just a little bit of confusion. That's all. And we are here. Wow. What an absolute blast this was. So guys, which drone performed better in your eyes? Let me know down in the comments which one you prefer and which one you think is the better buy. With that being said, guys, this is only the beginning of my tests with these two drones, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Thank you so much for watching. I really had a blast making this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.